The European starling has but few friends in the U.S., even among birders. It is an alien invasive from Europe and Asia introduced into North America by a supposedly well-meaning enthusiast who released a few dozen in New York City in 1890. The first batch died off. The second attempt was disastrously successful, and the European starling is now likely the most numerous bird in the U.S. The starling's success has been at the direct expense of many native cavity-nesting birds, such as the eastern bluebird and some of the medium-sized woodpeckers. Estimates place U.S. starling numbers at around 200 million, a direct result of human meddling and ecological ignorance. Hold that thought while we consider another Eurasian native, the aurochs, a huge, fearsome form of cattle from the Eurasian grasslands well known to our ancestors who domesticated it, then drove it to extinction in the wild. The aurochs's genes and its spirit live on in the form of domestic cattle. So here we have a Eurasian bird and a Eurasian grazing ungulate, separated from their native ranges by a few hundred years and a few thousand miles, but by coincidence reunited on a distant continent by a meddlesome species importers. If the starling has one human friend today in North America, it is probably the cattle farmer, watching amazed as bird and beast reunite. Each animal carries a colony of flies which bite, suck blood, and bedevil the host. Watching a starling groom a cow, snag flies from her eyes and nostrils, or in midair, you have to wonder about this relationship. It has to be a legacy liaison, an arrangement of benefit to both from other times, other places. Would the chewer of cud trust an unknown opportunist to pick with a sharp bill at her eyelids? Would another bird fix immediately on the opportunity and pursue it as a career? Those who move their cattle daily to keep them on fresh pasture, free of fly-breeding manure, can't but notice the outlaw bird helping to groom and calm the cattle. Cattle farming is a business in which one accepts help from just about any willing neighbor.
All right. Good job, Smoky. Good job.